See, the business is growing in India, and we have to prepare our students for this future business. The traditional concept of management is not working more. If we do not prepare our students for the future India, then we will be out of business, as you have mentioned in your one of the slide. So digital business is a need of an hour, and we need to prepare our students for the future business as one of the digital business. London School of Digital Business has 31 courses, as I have seen, and each and every course will be useful to the students, even if they do not go for any particular job and they start their own entrepreneurship. Definitely, on their own, they can develop their own career and they can have their own a beautiful life. So that is the need of our, and it's a good effort taken by the Parik sir for making the awareness among the cyber students. Thank you very much.